So thank you guys all for being here. Happy week 2. You all did a really, really good job on week 1. I was really impressed with all of the videos I got on Flipgrid and everything else. I'm really excited to see today. So today we are going to be doing a get to know you activity that in Google Slides. And this is so that you can get to know your classmates a little bit and so that I can get to know you and you can get to know me a little bit. So you should all see on your screen that I shared a Google Slideshow with everybody. The link to your class's Google Slideshow I sent in messages this morning. So in your Schoology account, and I'll see if I can show you here. In your Schoology account, which will look a little bit different than mine, you have this envelope in the top right of your screen. And if you click on that, you should have messages from me that will tell you how to get to your activity. So each class has its own Google Slides. And within the Google Slideshow, every student has their own slide. So you can see on the left-hand side, it looks like some of you already found your slides. Every person has their own slide. So please find yours. And then on yours, if you have a nickname, so maybe I said, okay, some of my students like to call me Miss T, so I might change my name to Miss T. And in reality, you can call me Miss T or Miss Tinebra, either one is fine. But some students, my last name is kind of hard. Miss T is fine too. So maybe I say, okay, I want to change my name to Miss T. So once you find your name, and they are in alphabetical order by last name. So in some classes, there might be multiple kids named Bob. So Bob A and Bob C, make sure they would need to find the correct slide with their own last initial on it. So make sure you find the right slide for you. And then you're basically going to be making a collage about yourself. So you can change the first name if you have a nickname you prefer. Please leave your last initial because it makes it hard for me to figure out who is who otherwise. So once you found your slide and you made sure your name is what you like to be called, then you can start finding pictures that you want to put into here. Okay? So for example, maybe I say, okay, I really like, I already added a bunch of pictures, but maybe I'd say, okay, I really like coffee. So I want a picture of coffee. So I could go to coffee, and I couldn't do this. I wanted to screen share on my iPad, but it wouldn't let me. But on your iPad, basically what you would do is you would save the picture. So I said, okay, this is the picture I want. And if you push and hold on it, it will let you save the picture to your photos. Again, this is on my browser. My iPad wouldn't let me screen share with you guys. So here you would actually save to your photos. And then after you saved it to your photos, you'll be able to go in here and click Insert Image, Upload from Computer. And on your iPad, once you upload from computer, you'll be able to find any pictures that you save to your iPad. So again, on your iPad, you'll find pictures of you like. Use 2 fingers to push and hold. It might just be 1 finger, but you push and hold. It'll give you a bunch of options. You will save the image to your pictures. And then within here, you go to Insert Image, Upload from Computer, and you can find any pictures from the web that you want. Okay, so here I took an actual picture with my pad. I took a picture of my dogs. So you could take photos if you want. You could take a photo of yourself. You could take a photo of your pets. You could take a photo of something that you really like in your house, anything you want. I also I had my little Bitmoji in here. I found a picture of the Vikings, a picture from Avatar, because that's a show I really like. My elephant's a favorite animal. I have a picture of like some pots and pans because I really like cooking. So all of these are things that are about me, and I could add more if I wanted. So basically you're making a little collage about yourself, and it looks like some of you guys are already getting started in doing that, and that's awesome. So that is the goal for this Get to Know You activity. Your attendance will be marked by whether or not you make this activity. And then later this week, you could come back and you can look at all the pictures and collages that your classmates made and know them a little bit more too. Okay, so again, please make sure that you found a link to this activity in Schoology, and then you can copy paste pictures into your correct slide with your name on it. First and last initial, they're in order by last name. And then you're just making a slideshow. You can use photos from your house. You can save pictures to your iPad and then insert them from your computer. Okay? Whatever you want to do. All right? So all of the attendance will be marked by if you complete this activity. So if you're just here today and you're watching and you're going, well, I'm not going to do that, then that's not going to count for attendance either. Attendance for everyone is based on making your personal slide about yourself. Okay? So for those of you who are going to come back and watch the recording later, that is for you as well. To get your attendance marked, you have to complete your slide about you. So at this time, I'm going to stop the recording, and then I will open up the chat and audio again so that people who are here can ask questions.